At the age of 23, Joe's hairline has already started to push back. He has some frontotemporal recession. Joe's brows appear flat and they're resting right on the brow ridge. He has a flat nasal tip cartilage appearance and he has no bulbosity to the tip of his nose. He also has full upper tooth show on smile, and you can really appreciate the strong jaw structure that Joe Biden has. At the age of 26, now Joe Biden has a Norwood 2 type of hair loss. And this would have been the time to start on medical therapy, such as on finasteride and minoxidil. At the age of 30, this is when Joe Biden first became senator. And you can see that his hair is now at a Norwood 3. And notice also that the temples are almost gone. At the age of 33, now I'm seeing some mid-scalp and crown thinning as well. At the age of 38, Joe Biden has near complete crown loss. At the age of 41, there are signs of a potential hair transplant, most likely with plug grafts. At the age of 45, my guess is that at this point he has little to no original hair in the DHT sensitive zone. But just by recreating that little bit of hair right at the front, he looks like a person with hair. Unless of course you look from the side view or from behind, then you start to appreciate the hair loss. At the age of 51, I do see some additional hair now at the frontal scalp, and it appears to me to be positioned slightly lower than what I saw previously. This suggests that potentially Joe Biden may have had more plugs placed around this time. At the age of 53, there is now some signs of lower eyelid pseudo-herniation, and there is continued increased neck laxity. At the age of 56, his hair is looking less pluggy and more full. Now this might be because of a possible FUT type of hair transplant. And also it looks to me like Joe Biden may have had a brow lift around this time. Compare back to the image from 1978 and you can see that there's more infrabrow space. At the age of 70, while the frontal scalp has hair still, the mid-scalp and the crown are nearly fully bald. And to me, there are some signs of a potential lower blepharoplasty. At the age of 72, the nasolabial folds have become deeper. And notice how his lips have thinned out with age. At the age of 77, there are some signs of a facelift and neck lift procedure. Joe has improved jawline definition. He has reduced submental fullness. His midface also appears more elevated. And we do see some scarring around the ears, which is a standard location for facelift procedures. At the age of 78, you can see how pulled that area seems, and you can almost tell where they finished their dissection medially.